Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is May 29th, 2026, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's go see charts and see what we see. What we see is all-time highs. All four indexes this week made all-time highs. So let's go ahead and jump down to our quarterly chart and see what we see here on the SPY and on this quarterly chart. What we can see, the SPY finally made it to a yearly R1 level and kind of closed just barely above that. So that's letting you know we're in a really hot bull market. Again, it starts like that and it can go all the way to an R3, but these pivots are a little wide, so getting to an R3 is going to be kind of crazy if it actually really goes that high. But let's go ahead and go down to our monthly chart. We're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves and see what we see there. On this monthly chart, we see again this thing is at an R3 level. I can just leave my arrow right there and all. And we are above the 9-10 moving average. Definitely, we are in a strong bull market at this time. And the thing is, are we going to create another one of these runs like this? You know, that's the question of what is happening what's going to be happening here at this time. But that's what I see there. But let's go ahead and go down to our weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, what we see here is some crazy green stuff here going up. These are monthly pivots on here. We gotten above our. I want to move this down. We got above that 750 numbers that I was talking about a week or so ago, and we're above there, closed above there at 750. We didn't close at 758, but we made an all-time high at 758.08. These are monthly pivots. We didn't quite reach an R2 level, but come next month, come next week, I do see us up opening above pivot and just going higher. That's what I see here. We did gap up a little bit and all here this past week. So again, we could come back down here and test pivot before going higher. That's the only thing I will be a little bit cautious about. So I won't be trying to sell anything under this market too close. If I do, I better be willing to become an owner and be looking to hold it for maybe a week or two. But that's pretty much it, what I see here on this weekly chart. Let me go ahead and go down to our daily noise and wrap this on up. On this daily noise, wrap. And it's been some crazy weeks. You know, these last couple of weeks we kind of made a bottom and we've just been going higher and made all-time highs here today. Again, we've been making all-time highs the last couple of days and all. So again, this thing is just screaming to the upside. I don't see anything slowing it down. Come next week, I do see us opening above pivot. So again, my rule: above pivot, stay above pivot. So I just see us going higher. And again, in this bull market so far, every week we've gotten cross an R1 level. So our R1 level come for next week. Let's take a quick look at that. Our R1 level, let me erase all that where we can see. And we got that little thing there in our way. It's right here at 760. 760 is only $4 away to hit an R1. So again, come next week, you know, we may be going to an R2. So don't get too close even on that call side. You know, if you're going to be swinging, you know, swinging something on that call side, be careful. I've been just playing the put side myself, and that's pretty much it. This is Right Side Trader. This is just a crazy bull market that we're in right now. Let's take advantage of it while we can and make that money. And that's pretty much it. As I said, this is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.